Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeọma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Anyị na-eme ngwa today, continuing verbs. So anyị ga-eme the negative verbs. Present tense to start with. How do we make a present tense negative? If you know a present tense, you know that an example is something like this. Na-aga ụlọ. I am going home. Na-aga ụlọ. So that na, if you add ye to it, you've just turned it to negative. So nayi aga ụlọ becomes negative. Naga, I am going. Nayi aga, I am not going. Okay? Naga, I am going. Nayi aga, I am not going. Okay? Naga ahịa, I am going to the market. Nayi aga ahịa, I am not going to the market. Okay? Future is like that as well, except that you're going to add the ye to the ga. Okay? So add ye to ga to make it negative. So a positive sentence sounds like this. Gaga, I will go. Gai aga, I will not go. Okay, this is future. Gaga, I will go. Gai aga, I will not go. Okay, so when you're saying something negative, the ga sounds a bit longer. So positive, gaga, so short. Gai aga, negative. Okay. Gaga ahia, I will go to the market. Gai aga ahia, I will not go to the market. Gaga, I will go. Gai aga, I will not go. Okay? Past tense. It's even easier to make verb negative in the past tense. So just get to the root of the verb and add a ye to it. It becomes negative. Okay? So go is ega. Ga is the root. If you just add a ye, you have gaye. Gaye ahia, I did not go. Gaye ahia, I did not go to the market. Okay? A positive past tense would be gara ahia. Gara ahia. Okay? We've already done past tense in the positive in our old video. Gara ahia. To make it negative, you just get the verb down to the root, which is ga. Add the ye to it, get the negative. Gaye. Gaye ahia. I did not go to the market. Gaye, I did not go. Gaye, I did not go. Gara, I went. Gaye, I did not go. Gara, I went. Gaye, I did not go. Okay? Command tense. Make the command into negative. Make it positive first, and then add a letter before and la after. Okay? The letter you add before, you need to choose A or R based on vowel harmony, which we have also done. If you look at the previous verb videos, you will see vowel harmony. A or R plus the positive command plus la, you get a negative command. Okay? We use an example. Again, using the verb to go. The positive command is ga, go. Ga, go. Now, if you add R to the as a prefix and la as a suffix, we get agala, don't go. And we chose A because of vowel harmony. Again, it's something we have done before. Agala. Okay, by the time you've watched the present tense, especially watch when we did the present, past, and future tense, you know what the vowel harmony means. Agala, don't go. Agala, okay? Agala here, don't go to the market. Agala here, did not go to the market. Agala, that's negative command. So we use this tense to give an instruction or to make a request. Biko agala ahia. Please don't go to the market. Biko agala. Please don't go. Present perfect tense. So this tense in the positive is like I have done something. Now you want to say I haven't done. Okay? So how do we do that? You go to the root and add beggy to it. Go to the root and add beggy. Again, ga, which is the root of to go, ga, we just add beggy and we have gabei. That means have not gone. Mgabei, I have not gone. Mgabei, I have not gone. Sorry. Mgabei, I have not gone. Mgabei ahia, I have not gone to the market. Mgabei school, I have not gone to school. Mgabei work, I have not gone to work. Mgabei shopping, I have not gone to shopping or ahia. Okay, Mgabei ahia. Odema. Okay, there's some other caveat with this tense in the negative. If you're using a word that has more than one letter, then we need to add a prefix to this formula. So where we have the formula saying root plus beggy, if we are using something like, so you know I said Mgabei, I have not gone. Okay. If I want to say Ijoma has not gone, then I will need a prefix because Ijoma is more than one letter. That's what I mean by multi-letter. So long as the word has more than one letter, then we need to add a prefix. So it will be something like this. Agabei. Again, A or A, you choose it based on vowel harmony, based on which verb you're using. Agabei. Okay, so example then will be Ha agabei ahia. They have not gone to the market. So notice that ha is more than one letter. That's why we modify the formula. Ha is more than one letter, isn't it? Ha agabei ahia. They have not gone to market. Let me show you what we did before, so just remember. So here I was using mo. Mo is only one letter. That's why we didn't need to do anything further. Ngabei ahia is only one letter. Okay, so for those one letter pronouns, you just use this. Mgabei, I have not gone. Ogabei, she has not gone. Igabei, you have not gone. But once we have more than one letter, we need to add a prefix, a or a. Because the verb is ga, this time we're choosing a based on vowel harmony. Agabei, ha agabei ahia, they have not gone. Ijoma agabei ahia, Ijoma has not gone. Ha agabei, they have not gone. Ijoma agabei, Ijoma has not gone. Okay. Okay. So if you want Igbo lessons, head over to igbostudy.com/group-coaching for your online Igbo lessons. igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Ka ọ dị o na-asụkwa Igbo.